Here's another surprisingly simple lamb and date tagine in your Thermomix with open lid cooking, but with the lid on. So step one, what we have to do is slice our onions and pop them in the Thermomix and get them on browning mode. So I've got it set for 10 minutes, 160 here, and I'm going to get the rest of the things ready for the recipe while that's happening. This is what your caramelized onions should look like at the end. So I'm starting mine off with some lamb chops that were on special this week. I'm just trimming off the bones and excess fat and getting that ready. Of course, you can ask your butcher for some lamb portions. So shoulder is really good for this particular recipe. Whether you buy lamb shoulder or you buy lamb chops or you get your butcher to cut pieces for you. Next step, I get my dates out and I actually cut them in half because sometimes, even though they say they're pitted, occasionally you'll find one in there. So I just cut them in half and that ensures that I've got no pips in there at all. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the spice blend. I've made this spice blend to suit us. Now, of course, you can change it to whatever you like. I haven't put any heat in here, so if you wanted to put some chili powder, you could. It's totally up to you. But I think what you should do probably is to try my recipe first and move on from there, and then you can adjust to your liking. Originally, I put saffron in, but it's really hard to tell people how much to use. So if you go overboard with saffron, it's quite an unusual flavor and it can be off-putting for some. So yeah, I've just mixed up a blend that we really like and I get that ready. From here, what we need to do is we need to put, when the onions have stopped browning, what we need to do is put all our ingredients into our Thermomix bowl in order of the recipe ingredients. You'll see it listed there in the ingredient list. Just pop them in. Now, every 30 minutes, you're going to want to stir this. The first 30 minutes, you might be a little bit concerned because it looks like nothing much is happening. But if you can dig that spatula right down to the bottom of your Thermomix bowl and give it a good stir, you will find that they will cook in 2 hours. This will cook absolutely beautifully. So as I say, put all the ingredients in the order of which I have put the recipe. And you'll have a really beautiful lamb tagine after 2 hours with succulent soft lamb. So pop the lid on, go to open lid cooking and press 2 hours at 100 degrees and go. Look at that, all the lamb is so tender and the dates have all broken down to make a sauce. Really delicious. I served mine with broccoli and mashed potatoes.